Hello everyone, I am Pradhiman Gupta and I am currently doing my internship from SmartBridge, and I have been given a topic to prepare a project on predicting life expectancy using machine learning or without machine learning. So this is my dashboard. I have been given 29 days to complete this project, and these are the tasks that are assigned to me. I will show you. These are the tasks that are assigned to me. Now let's start my project explanation. So this is my IBM Cloud account dashboard, and these are the services that I have used. It might take some time. Yeah. So these are the services that I have used, like Node-RED, Watson Studio, machine learning. These are all connected with Watson Studio, like Jupyter Notebook, Auto AI. Both I have done this project with both with Python or without Python. So let's move to Watson Studio. Get started. And meanwhile, let's start our Node-RED too. Cloud Foundry apps. This is my Node-RED. Visit app URL. This is my project. Click on this. Yeah. So I have taken the dataset of life expectancy dataset. In this project, I will predict life expectancy of a person in accordance to his area or region where he belongs to, and what is his mortality rate and diseases that he is being infected with. So this is my Node-RED. I have created my flow here. This is my Node-RED flow. I have taken input from form tag and given these free tokens. I have set my input to global and given my API key. Then I have requested for HTTP request to the IBM cloud, and this is my instance ID. Basically, we work on Node.js in Node-RED, and this is my scoring ending point. And here I will be predicting life expectancy. Okay, so let's see. I have initially placed here inputs. Let's change these inputs. Let it be 263, 62, 0.01, and measles. Yeah, let's change it to 1154. Diphtheria will be 65. Okay, now let's predict. The initial prediction that is showing is this. Now it will change. See, it has changed to 62 years of age. So I have taken these all inputs to predict life expectancy of a person. Now let's go to IBM. Now I will show you my Auto AI model, or let's see my code first for my Python. It's network issue because mm, so this is my code that I have done with the Watson notebook. I have imported some libraries and dataset. Then I have taken all the info of the dataset. Now I have taken all the null values and removed them from my dataset and made it in place so that these are the permanent changes in my dataset. Now these are my all columns. This is data visualization using Seaborn. It's pair plot. This is distance plot, and this is heat map for pairing. And here I have done training and testing. I have given sklearn library test, train, test, split. And now I have done this with the linear regression algorithm. So this is my linear algorithm. And now I have created an endpoint for the connection with my UI. Okay. Now let's see working of my AI, Auto AI. So here is my Auto AI model, life expectancy Auto AI. So let's test it by giving some inputs. Country. First, let's take Afghanistan or India. Year 2015, 263. Status will be developing. As we all know, our India is still developing country. Adult mortality 263. Give it 62. Alcohol 0.02. Percentage expenditure 71.27. Let's take 71.27. That is 65. Measles 1154. BMI 19.1. Under 5 death 83. 6 per thousand. 8.16% total expenditure. Diphtheria will be 65. HIV AIDS 0.1. GDP, let's take 584.255, and population, let it be 37 crore 85 lakh 55,270. 17.2, and let it be 17.3. Now income composition would be 0.475 or 479. Schooling 12.4. Let's take 12.4. So we have entered all my data. Now let's predict the output. It will take some time because of my network issues. Ah, so it has shown me the prediction value 62.90. It means about 62 years and 63 years, almost 63 years of age. So thank you to Smart Interns or Smart Bridge for giving me this lovely